Hi guys, let's do one more example of simplifying exponents. This one does not have any negative exponents in it, but it does have these little exponents up here. So we're going to have to expand some things first. I'm going to write this out. So let's deal with this part first. So what that means, 2x to the 5th y cubed, that whole entire thing needs to be cubed. So it really means this, 2x to the 5th y cubed times itself 3 times. And then we have 4xy to the 4th squared, which means that whole thing times itself. So I know that was a lot to write out, but I think it is very helpful if you guys can do this. Okay, next thing we need to do. So we're going to look for all the things that are the same and try to combine them. So the first thing I'm going to deal with are my numbers. I have a 2 times 2 times 2 times 4 times 4. I know that was a lot of numbers, so you're welcome to do this on a calculator, but we need 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8 times 4 times 4. So we're going to end up with 128. And I know they're not all right next to each other, but because you're multiplying, you can do that in any order. Alright, now let's look at our x's. We have 5 of them there, 5 of them there, 5 of them there, just 1 there, and 1 there. So I want you to imagine, that's a lot of x's to expand, but imagine that we did. We have 5 x's times 5 x's times 5 more. So really, there are 5, 10, 15, and then 2 more. There are 17 x's altogether. And then let's look at the y's. We have 3, 6, 9, and then there's 8 over here. There's 17 of those also. On the bottom, I'm just going to leave everything how it is. Okay? So here's the thing. See how we still have some x's on the top and on the bottom? That means we can still put them together. And we have some y's on the top and on the bottom. We can put those together also. So let's go a little bit further. 128. Okay, picture this in your head. You have 17 x's listed across your numerator. And then you have 7 listed across the bottom. So when we start canceling things out, what's left and where? There's going to be 10 of them left, and they're all on the top. Okay, let's think about the same thing for the y's. Still have an 8 on the bottom. We have 17 across the top. We have 12 across the bottom. Start canceling out what's left and where. There are some on the top. There's 5, actually, and they're on the top. Okay, last thing we need to do is take that 128 over 8 and simplify it. So 128 divided by 8 is 16. And if you want to put a 1 in your denominator, you can, but you don't actually need it.